Hello guys, how are you? Today in this video I will show you how to install replacement toner cartridge and drum HP printer laserjet HP laserjet 102. So start that video and watch this whole video. I first remove the old cartridge and drum. Now unbox the cartridge. This is cartridge. 19. This is drum. 219. This is drum. So one unbox and setup. The cover and paper all remove this drum. And now insert this. This is drum complete. Then now I unbox the cartridge. Cartridge, remove the cover and push this silk. Now insert this cartridge. This is simple step. Thank you watching for full video. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.